BMW G310 best first motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and an unparalleled connection to the open road. For beginners venturing into this exciting realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The BMW G310R, with its blend of accessible power, modern design, and beginner-friendly attributes, stands out as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, sleek aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the G310R offers an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the BMW G310R resides a refined 313cc single-cylinder engine that achieves a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence. Modern design and sleek aesthetics. The G310R boasts a modern and minimalist design that reflects BMW's commitment to contemporary aesthetics. Its clean lines, dynamic form, and refined styling elements embody the modern essence that resonates with riders seeking a blend of innovation and sophistication. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the modern spirit that defines the G310R. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the G310R offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The upright posture, well-positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and nimble maneuverability. The BMW G310R is celebrated for its agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it a well-suited choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, corners, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders. The G310R often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban adventures and beyond. The G310R's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can effortlessly transition between urban adventures and embracing the open road, all while relishing the motorcycle's dynamic and exhilarating performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the BMW brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for riding in the G310R's modern attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The BMW G310R encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. The BMW G310R isn't just an entry point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its modern performance, sleek design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the G310R as they evolve from novice riders to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The BMW G310R epitomizes BMW's commitment to providing an accessible and modern introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, contemporary design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the G310R provides an immersive gateway to the excitement of riding. By choosing a BMW G310R as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for innovation, style, and the exhilaration of exploring the world on two wheels.